Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a new Excel workbook and naming the sheet patients list so records stay organized. Next, add columns. Patient ID, name, DOB, phone, address, allergies, notes. This gives structure. Once done, set cell formats, date for DOB, text for phone, to avoid errors, and enable wrap text for notes so entries remain readable. You do this now because consistent types reduce downstream cleanup and speed lookups. Make sure headers are bold and freeze the top row to keep context visible. You now add data validation to prevent mistakes. Create drop-down lists for common allergies and a yes/no consent field. This reduces typos. Then implement a patient ID rule, a prefix like P plus a sequential number using text and row formulas so IDs stay unique. Once that's set, convert the range to a table to enable structured references and automatic formatting. Finally, build a simple input form or a user-friendly row template so repeated entries remain consistent. You finish by securing and validating the system. Protect the sheet, allowing edits only in input columns, and save an encrypted backup copy so patient data stays private. Once done, enable Excel version history or periodic exports to CSV for redundancy. If problems arise, first check data validation and column formats. Mismatched types cause import errors. Also scan for duplicate patient ID using conditional formatting. If duplicates persist, use the unique or COUNTIF functions to locate and resolve them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.